The 33rd surah of the Quran is Surah Al-Ahzab, which consists of 73 verses. This surah addresses various aspects of social, legal, and ethical matters concerning the Muslim community during the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Here are some key messages and themes from Surah Al-Ahzab. First is unity and cooperation. The surah emphasizes the importance of unity and cooperation among Muslims, particularly in times of adversity and conflict. It encourages believers to stand together and support one another. Second is respect for the Prophet Muhammad. Surah Al-Ahzab emphasizes the reverence and respect that Muslims should have for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It admonishes against disrespecting or disobeying him and highlights his role as a model for believers. Third is guidance for social conduct. The surah provides guidance on various social matters, including marriage, family relations, and etiquette. It addresses issues such as the treatment of wives, the importance of modesty, and the etiquette of interaction between men and women. Fourth is legal rulings. Surah Al-Ahzab contains legal rulings related to marriage, divorce, and the conduct of warfare. It outlines rules for the treatment of captives and spoils of war, emphasizing justice and compassion even in times of conflict. Fifth is challenges faced by the Muslim community. The surah addresses some of the challenges faced by the Muslim community during the time of revelation, including opposition from disbelievers, hypocrites within the community, and external threats. Sixth is rewards and punishments. Surah Al-Ahzab highlights the rewards for righteous deeds and the consequences of disobedience to God and His Messenger. It encourages believers to strive for piety and righteousness in their actions. Overall, Surah Al-Ahzab serves as a comprehensive guide for Muslims, providing guidance on matters of faith, morality, and social conduct. It emphasizes the importance of unity, respect for authority, and adherence to divine guidance in building a strong and virtuous community. Thanks for watching and keep supporting to spread Quran and Islamic knowledge.